Craving something truly delicious? Let me take you on a journey to the heart of authentic Indian flavor, right here in Rome. Imagine this. Tender chickpeas, slow-cooked until they're perfectly soft, swimming in a rich, creamy gravy. We're talking about a symphony of spices, aromatic, warm, and just a little bit fiery. See the steam rising as we gently stir this beautiful curry? Every spoonful is packed with tradition and love. Pair it with fluffy naan bread, warm roti, or fragrant basmati rice to soak up every last drop of that incredible sauce. This isn't just food, it's an experience. It's comfort, warmth, and pure satisfaction in a bowl. Come discover the best halal Indian food in Rome and treat yourself to a meal you won't forget. We can't wait to share our passion with you. See you soon, craving something truly comforting and bursting with flavor? Imagine tender chickpeas swimming in a rich, creamy, and spicy gravy. This is chole, or chickpea curry, a classic Indian dish that feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Each spoonful is a perfect blend of aromatic spices, slow-cooked to perfection. Watch as the steam rises, carrying the fragrant scent of cumin, coriander, and garam masala. We serve it piping hot, ready to be scooped up with fluffy naan bread or piled high on basmati rice. If you're in Rome and searching for authentic halal Indian cuisine, your search ends here. Come experience this delicious journey with us. It's more than just a meal, it's a taste of home. Find us and satisfy your curry cravings today.